Happy Tuesday, happy Tuesday. It is Technique Tuesday, and we are going to be featuring some embossed designer series paper. And the new paper that I am using today is the beautiful bouquet paper. And it is this lovely bouquet technique that is a photography technique which gives those kind of white dots in the background, right? So this is side A, and then if we flip it, we've got a kind of pastel, really pretty kind of splotchy pattern. So that's the beautiful bouquet, and this paper actually goes with our beautiful butterflies stamp set, dies, and this hybrid embossing folder. So it gives, you know, those beautiful butterfly impressions, but because it's hybrid, you can actually take the dies, put them in there, and emboss, run it through your machine, emboss and die cut at the same time. So we aren't doing that today, but I wanted to share that. So we're going to be using this embossing folder today with this designer series paper to create embossed designer series paper. So sometimes we forget that with these beautiful prints, we can also add texture, and it gives a really good technique effect to our designer series paper. So we've stamped on it before. That's one way to use your designer series paper, and embossing on it is another. So let me put this to the side. And I've already pre-cut some designer series paper layers from that same paper. So these are just 4 by 5 1/4. There's the back sides to those. I'm gonna bring in my Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine. And so for this, we are using the sandwich of just plate 1 and plate 4 because our embossing folder is a thick embossing folder. It's that hybrid, so it's a thicker one. That is the easy sandwich that we are using. So we'll first put down plate 1, then we will take our embossing folder, and here is a tip for you. So when you are using embossing on designer series paper, it's thinner than our cardstock, right? So we can actually take 2 pieces at one time, put them together. We're going to put those in our embossing folder here. And we're just going to line that up. We're going to take plate 4 and put that right on top. And remember, when we're putting our embossing folders in, you want to make sure the closed end goes in first so that it can push all the air out and not crack our embossing folder. So we'll put that in, we'll put plate 4 on top, and then we're just going to easily run this right through our machine here. There we go. Put that to the side. When we take this out, we've got our embossing folder there. We'll open this up. We've got our 2 sheets, and because it's that thinner designer series paper, voila, we can do 2 cards at one time. And isn't that beautiful? And actually even both sides are beautiful. If you want the embossed raised side up, or if you want the de-embossed raised side down, right? Aren't those beautiful? So let me show you the quick and easy card that I made with this. So, you know, sometimes fancy cards are great, but sometimes simple cards are great too. So if we take this paper that we embossed and we just glue that on a base, add a sentiment that I just fussy cut out, a couple embellishments, what a beautiful, easy card using the paper, right? You can really see all that texture. It looks like we almost did blending brushes or something on that paper, right? But it's just that designer series paper. So an easy, quick card. You can actually do 2 at a time when we use 2 sheets out of our embossing folder at the same time. and it creates a fun, beautiful, easy card. So this is your Technique Tuesday tip, embossing some designer series paper. Have a great day, everyone. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.